Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to study difference between present participle, past participle, and gerund. Uh, I have combined these three terms in a single lecture as all these three terms are related to a verb and are forms of the verb and are functioning as uh, adjective and noun. So we start. First of all, we are going to start present participle. Its definition goes as ing form or fourth form of the verb. Ing form or fourth form of the verb used as an adjective is called present participle. कि जब वर्ब की फोर्थ फॉर्म या आईएनजी फॉर्म एडजेक्टिव का काम करेगी तो हम उसे प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल का नाम देंगे. Definitions, examples are a rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Here rolling is colored and rolling is used as present participle as it is defining stone. So rolling is working as adjective, so it is present participle. It's fourth form of roll. So we move to the next sentence, next example. The next example is she welcomed the guests with smiling face. Here smiling is describing face. So smiling is working as adjective, so it is present participle as it is fourth form or ing form of smile. The next sentence is, the next example is he tried to catch the burning candle. He tried to catch the burning candle. Here burning is describing candle, so it's working as adjective and it's fourth form of burn, so it's working as adjective and here it is known as present participle. I hope you have learned it well. Try to find more examples out of your books. So I'm going to past participle. Third form of the verb used as an adjective is called past participle. कि जब verb की third form in present participle it was fourth form and past participle it is third form of the verb used as adjective. We are moving to examples. He refused to enter the burnt house. Burnt is describing house and being used as adjective and it is for third form of burn, so it is called past participle. The next example is they enjoyed in a cleaned ground. साफ किया हुआ ground या साफ सुथरा ground. So cleaned is describing here ground and working as adjective, so it is adjective and its past participle. The next example is Ahmed looked at the ruined valley. Ruined tabahshuda, ruined tabah karna and ruined tabahshuda and its third form of ruined, so it's working as adjective and also known as past participle. And the next and the last is gerund. Gerund is fourth or ing form of the verb used as a noun. You should keep in mind the difference between present participle and gerund. That fourth form is used as adjective, it will be called as present participle, and when it is used as noun it is known as gerund. It may be subject or object, as in our first sentence reading is easier than writing, and the next example is painting is my fun and swimming is hard to learn. Reading, writing, painting and swimming all are forms of verb. Read, reading, and write, wrote, written and writing, and paint, painted, painted and painting, and swim, swam, swam and swimming. So all these are the fourth forms of verb and working as noun. So these nouns are also called as verbal nouns. So also keep in mind their name. I hope this lecture will be beneficial for you. Allah Hafiz.